Most kids today are dealing with online classes. Yeah, they have to deal with online classes as it is very difficult for young kids especially to concentrate during online classes. So today we are here going to discuss about how you can keep your child motivated and focused during online classes. Hello and welcome to Mom I Love, and I am Shubhoshri. You can also find us at our official website, that is www.momilove.com. Before I begin this video, I will request you to subscribe to my channel because every Mondays and Thursdays we come up with parenting videos and motherhood videos in this channel. So please subscribe to us and get the latest video notification. So online education can be really difficult for your child if they are especially in primary classes. So I am going to share with you 3 tips by which you can help your child to concentrate and focus during online learning sessions. Make sure to watch this video till the end as I will be sharing with you a bonus tip. So my first point is, make sure that the room in which your child is studying during online sessions, there is no distractions. What happens with small kids is they quickly lose concentration, especially by some attractive things which are lying beside them. So if you think that if you are preparing your room for your child's online classes, or if you are arranging a corner of your house, make sure that that place does not have any kind of distraction. That must not have music around, that must not have a TV background sound, that must not have his toys lying around. So make sure that these kind of distractions are not there. Also ensure that when your child is studying or during their online sessions, there is no distraction from any other member of the family. As a mother or a parent, you must be there with your child, especially for primary class students during their online sessions. Otherwise they will have no clue what is happening and they will not at all focus in their study. My second point is, ensure that your child has got enough sleep and they are not hungry at all. So it is really important to feed them well. Make sure that your child has slept well at night, because most of the online classes, online e-learning sessions are during the morning time, normally when they have school. So make sure that your child has got their proper sleep during the night, and you have also fed them well so that they don't feel hungry during the time of studying. Along with this, also make sure that your child has a bottle of water beside them and they have also gone to the toilet if they want to, because otherwise they will again and again they will be distracted by bringing some water from other room, or they want to go to the toilet or like that. So make sure all these things are already done. My third point is, keep your child motivated through your words. How can you do this? Whenever you see that your child is showing a positive response towards the online learning, you have to praise your child. Maybe not in front of the class just by shouting, "Oh, you have done a great job," not like that, but just by patting on his back and showing your thumb like this, that yes, well done. So when you show these gestures to your child, they are motivated. They think that if I do more of these things, if I really concentrate in my classes, my mother is going to praise me, and that is going to push your child to do what you want them to do. So here comes my bonus tip. I must tell you before saying this that some of you may not agree with me, but this is what I personally feel and I personally practice in my life. I personally believe that this point of time, at this age when your child is between 5 to maybe 10 years old, your child is not ready for online learning. But with the current situation, we cannot help it, right? We have to educate our child. We cannot make that loss, their academic loss. We cannot bear that. So we have to help them to achieve their best in their academics through e-learning processes. But what I want to say is, restrict it to school learning only. I have seen many parents today, they are asking for other online classes like drawing classes or they want to teach their child some or the other extracurricular activities through online classes. Make sure your child is not involved into all these things, because when your child has 3 classes or 2 classes in one day for which they have to sit for hours in front of the screen, that is going to harm them. Then next day your child won't find that interest, that again I have to sit in front of the camera, or again I have to sit in front of my teacher for an online class. They won't find it entertaining. So let's not do this. Just do the necessary, whatever is necessary. Yes, academics is necessary, so that only their school e-learning classes, that is entertained in their life, because we don't have any other choice right now. Otherwise, always teach by yourself. If you want to teach something like drawing or art and craft, try yourself, learn. You learn yourself from online platforms like YouTube, and then you can practice that with your child. So in that way you can spend much more time with your child, and your child will be very happy to learn with you. But when you put them for online classes, like they have 2 or 3 classes in one day, they will be really frustrated and they cannot focus in any one of those things. So that was all from my side. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a like, and let me know in the comment section below about your thoughts. What bonus tip I have given you? Do you agree with me? You don't agree with me? Let me know in the comment section below. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.